want the mouse to be there. No.
Shut up.
The mouse want to be there.
Well, he gonna eat him. And the mouse is a big mouse, so he better.
How he can eat the big mouse?
It's life.
No. He want me. He want me. He want me.
Dang, he picked him all the way up.
Daddy, he want me. He want me. He want me. Daddy, he wants you, Daddy. He wants you. I want you. He wants you, Daddy. You see the fight?
Sit still, dude. I'm not gonna tell you again.
I'm gonna milk this as long as I can.
What time did the fast tail get in his house?
Don't do it, Daddy.
No. I'm not talking to you. I'm talking to Cora.
Don't do the Dada.
Miss Cora, you have a curfew? No. Yes. She need to be in here by the time them street lights come on, and I'm gonna tell her, I done told you, get your behind in here by 9:15. I am grown, Mr. Brown. I know how women work. I know how y'all do. Well, how are we? Yeah, how are we, Mr. Brown? Okay, I tell you, better stop working your neck before I snap it. Now, first of all, I know y'all copy each other. You get a miniskirt, she get a miniskirt.
He got balls.
You know we'll have a house full
Sit
of
still.
pregnant women running around in miniskirts. That's ridiculous,
Ooh.
Mr. Brown. Just what I'm talking about. Look, right there. That's what I'm talking about. You that miniskirt come on a pregnancy test? I'm gonna be your skirt. Mr. Brown.